everyone, me, Prayank, the little coder. Today I am going to code for this kid named Sam and one more kid named John. They are doing a epic challenge named the drone challenge. They are making all of their drones and then now we need to code for the red drone of Sam's. So we will go to behaviors, then sprite beings, and then we are going to touch this. And now we need to go again to the behaviors and then take the event moving the arrow with arrow keys. And then it will when I press left it will go left, and when I press right it will go right, up and down with the same things. So now what do we need to do? We need to make this and this join together. But if they join together, it will show, oops, you lost. So for that, I have done half of the coding right here and the half was done already. So for that, I am going to go to the events and then when a sticker touches the sticker, and I will change when this touches the red row, and then I will go down here and take the text button and show title screen. Title should be OOPS for oops, and the last should be an OST, lost. Wait a minute, it should be you lost. So I think the code is done. Then let's see. And when I touch this, see, it is telling oops, you lost. So I will meet you all in my next video with Priyank Little Coder. Bye.